Today I'm going to talk to you about a fun language and movement activity that you can do using the book We're Going on a Bear Hunt. The things that you'll need for this activity is the book if you have it, or you can watch along with us, and some kind of streamers or string or toilet paper if you have extra, and you'll need some tape and a hallway. Our book today is called We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenberry. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, grass. Long, wavy grass.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Turn the page. Swishy swashy, swishy swashy, swishy swashy. There they go, through the grass. Looks like they're going down the hill. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A river. A deep, cold river.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Splish, splosh, splish, splosh, splish, splosh. Ooh, it looks like they took off their... It looks like they took off their shoes. That's right. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Mud. Thick, oozy mud.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. There they go, through the mud. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a forest, a big, dark forest.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Who can find the dog? Oh no, where did the dog go? Here he is. Here's the dog. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A snowstorm. A whirling, whirling, swirling snowstorm.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. It looks so cold. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh, a cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. What do you think is inside this cave? Uh-oh.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We gotta go through it.
Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that? Oh no, they look worried. What is that? It has one shiny, wet nose, two big, furry ears, two big, goggly eyes. It's a... You're right, it's a bear. Oh no! Quick, back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Hoo, 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 hoo. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Ouch! Back through the mud. Squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch, squelch, squirch. Back through the river. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splish, splash. Back through the grass, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy, swishy, swashy. Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no, we forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into the bed. Under the covers. We're not going on a bear hunt again. Goodbye, bear. Thanks, everyone. Thanks for reading the Bear Hunt book with me.